Good morning, children. Welcome to class 3 English 2. Today we are going to discuss the exercises of chapter 10, The Bird. So all of you take out your English 2 book, page number 90. Take out your English 2 book, page number 90 and your copy. Write all these in your copy. Okay, question answer today. We will discuss the question answers, fill in the blanks and the number the statements in the right order, then vocabulary. Okay, page number 90 and 91. So first you take out your page number 90. Question answers. Answer the following questions. What is the first question? Which of his gifts did Saroja like the most? Which of his gifts did Saroja like the most? सरोजा को कौन सा गिफ्ट अच्छा लगता है, सबसे अच्छा लगता है? ओके, सो विच ऑफ द गिफ्ट? आंसर, सरोजा लाइक्ड द ट्रैप गिफ्टेड बाय हिज अंकल द मोस्ट. सरोजा लाइक्ड द ट्रैप गिफ्टेड बाय हिज अंकल the most. Okay, that is the answer of this question. Then second question, why was mother displeased with the trap? Mother did not like the trap. Why was mother displeased with the trap? The answer is, mother was displeased with the trap because she did not want Saroja trap and torture poor things. Okay, mother was displeased. Mother did not like the trap because she did not want Saroja to trap and torture the poor things. Okay, then number 3, did Saroja continue to take care of the bird? सरोजा कंटिन्यू किया, bird को टेक केयर करना कंटिन्यू किया या स्टॉप किया? ओके, सो द आंसर इज नो, ही डिड नॉट कंटिन्यू टू टेक केयर ऑफ द bird. Okay, the answer. Then fourth question, why could Saroja not sleep that day? Saroja could not sleep that day. Why? Saroja could not sleep that day because he felt guilty. He felt guilty. That means he was responsible for the bad condition of the bird. So he felt guilty. G-U-I-L-T-Y. He felt guilty for the pain suffered by the bird. Okay, so Saroja could not sleep that day because he felt guilty for the pain suffered by the bird. Okay, then next question, last question, did Saroja do the right thing by trapping the bird? Discuss. Trapping bird is a right thing? No, Saroja did not do the right thing by trapping the bird because trapping and torturing birds and animals is not a good thing. Okay, why it is not a right thing? Because trapping and torturing birds and animals is not a good thing. Okay, so all of you understood the question answer. So write this question answer in your classwork copy. Okay, then next, same page number 90, number the statements in right order. That you have to, that I have explained. That means page number 90, A part, number the statements in the right order. So the some statements are given there, but these statements are not given in the correct order. You have to write the correct order of the statements. Look here, so many sentences are given there. Number 4, fourth statement is the first sentence. Okay, then next, second statement is the second sentence. Then fifth statement is the third sentence. Fifth statement is the third sentence. Then next, third statement is the fourth sentence. Okay, then first statement is the fifth sentence. Now I read the sentences in order. Okay, so first which sentence will come? Saroja returned. First this sentence will come. Okay, here first is written, so the first sentence is this sentence, that is, Sarora returned after dinner and found a little bird caught in his trap. Then second sentence is this, that is the second statement is the second sentence, that is correct, that I will read. Sarora placed the bird gently in a cage and gave it seeds to eat and water to drink. Then third sentence, this is the third sentence, okay. Since the cage was opened, the little bird flew out the room and hurt itself. Next, fourth statement is this, fourth sentence. Sarora sat by the cage all day and kept looking at the bird which was breathing heavily. Okay. Then the last sentence is this, that is first statement is the last sentence. After that day, Sarora never trapped birds again. Okay. So number the sentence like this. This you don't do in copy. Okay. Question answer you do in copy, but this thing that means page number 90 A you don't do in copy, do only in book. Clear? This is the right order of this statement. So write this order in your book. Clear? Then next, fill in the blanks. B part, fill in the blanks. Page number 90, fill in the blanks. This you have to do in copy. Okay? Fill in the blanks. The bird was lying dash on its back. The answer is stiff. S-T-I-F-F. The bird was lying stiff on its back. Then number 2, Sarora could hear the bird's dash beating, heart beating, bird's heart beating, H-E-A-R-T beating, heart beating. Okay, Sarora could hear the bird's heart beating. Then next sentence is fill in the blanks. The bird was dashed to find the cage open. The bird was delighted. The bird was delighted to find the cage open. Delighted, became happy. Then next, Sarora got a dash for snaring birds. Sarora got a trap for snaring birds. T-R-A-P, trap for snaring birds. The next sentence, mother said the bird was a wild dash. Bird was a wild canary. C-A-N-A-R-Y, canary. Bird was a wild canary. So once again I will read the statements. The bird was lying stiff on its back. Sarora could hear the heart beating, bird's heart beating. The bird was delighted to find cage open. Sarora got a trap for snaring birds. Mother said the bird was a wild canary. Okay. So this thing you have to do in copy. The fill in the blanks you do in copy. Okay. Next is page number 91. Page number 91. Take the right synonym of the highlighted word. Synonym means same meaning. Word meaning. Okay. So highlighted words. These words are highlighted there. Which are the words highlighted there? Displeased. Second sentence, lying stiff. Third sentence, careful. Fourth sentence, delighted. And fifth sentence, shut. These words are given dark black, highlighted. Okay. So this highlighted words meaning is given in the bracket. Two words are given in the bracket. So which one is the correct meaning? Okay. So first sentence I will read. Mother was displeased with me. So the word displeased is highlighted there. What is the word meaning of displeased? Annoyed or satisfied? Annoyed. Annoyed is the correct word. So tick annoyed there. So that is the correct answer of this first. That means displeased meaning is annoyed. Okay. Then second sentence, he was lying stiff on his back. Lying stiff. What is the meaning of lying stiff? Rigid, loose. Two words are given there. Rigid, loose. Which one is the correct? Rigid is correct. R-I-G-I-D. Rigid is the correct. Okay. Then number 3, I should have been more careful. In bracket, two words are given there. Mindful, relaxed. So which is the word meaning of careful? Mindful. So mindful is the correct answer. Then next, Neeta was delighted with her marks. Delighted. The word meaning of delighted is, two words are given there, excited and happy. So the correct answer is excited. EXCITED, excited. Then next, she shut the door with a bang. So what is the meaning of shut? Closed. Closed and released is given there. So the word meaning of shut is closed. Okay. So once again I will read. First answer, annoyed. Second, rigid. Third, mindful. Fourth, excited. And fifth, closed. Okay. This also you do in copy. So page number 91, A part, do in copy. Then page number 91, B part. Take out your B part. Complete the opposite or antonyms of the word scared. Okay, antonyms. Antonyms means opposite. Opposite of the word scared. A scared word का opposite लिखना है. What is the meaning of scared? Scared means डरना. Okay. So what is its opposite? So all the words are the opposite words. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words. 5 opposite words are given there. You have to write the full word. Okay. It is blank. Only 2-3 spellings are given there. You have to write the full word there. Okay, all these 5 words are the opposite of the word scared. So scared means डरना. इसका opposite क्या होगा? Number 1, bold. BOLD, bold. Number 2, unafraid. Afraid means डरना. Unafraid means नहीं डरना. Okay, unafraid. UNAFRAID, unafraid. Number 3, brave. BRAVE, brave. Number 4, courage. COURAGE, courage. Courage. COURAGE, courage. Number 5, confident. CONFIDENT, confident. All these are the opposite of scared. Okay. Scared means darna. So it's opposite of the scared is bold. Bold will come. And afraid is also correct. Brave is also correct. Courage is also correct. Confident is also correct. All these 5 words are the opposites of this scared. Okay, all of you understood? So this thing also you have to do in copy. So page number 90, question answer and fill in the blanks. Page number 91, tick the right synonym and complete the opposite or antonyms also you have to do in copy. Okay, do in copy. Page number 90, this do in copy. Then question answer also do in copy. Okay, answer the following question. These things do in copy. So page number 90 and 91 do in copy, except this A. Page number 90A you don't do in copy, that do only in book. Understood all of you? Okay, bye.